twine boxes, and then one of the cool features is that it can eject the bale when it's not quite like this one. There's hay in there and it's not a whole bale, so either you have to, like when we do the next cutting, it would add fourth cutting hay to third cutting hay and make one of those little weird partial bales or a mixture bale. But this has a setting that you can, I guess, tie what's in there and it'll send it out as a small bale. So we're gonna see if it works or how it works. Sam just said stay away from the tailgate, so there's the potential that something cool and unexpected is gonna happen at any second, so we'll see what that might be. Tractor, I have to hold this lever forward or it pops out, and you can hear it but can't really see anything, and you can kind of feel it. It shakes the tractor a little bit. Every time Sam pushes the button, it cycles 10 times, and I think I just saw through that little slit right there that the bale dropped out. So that's pretty cool that it'll auto eject the bale, especially if you do it when the hay is fresher. And hasn't been sitting in the baler for at least 2 years, so that's a pretty cool feature that the other one doesn't have. This one doesn't have an accumulator, but the other one doesn't have an auto ejector, so I guess it'll be a good trade-off. That is yucky, but it just slid right out. And that's what the inside of a baler looks like. Again.
It's like we gave the crone a laxative.
Yep, and I bet it feels so much better now, getting all of that out of its inside.